be my beloved exhaust. Not that it matters though, because my engine is knocking. So, yeah. That's what it sounds like. Shut the fuck up. You can almost hear it a little bit better when it's not right in the bay because it's picking up all the bullshit sounds, so I'll stick it out here. At the most there, that was about 1800 RPM, and quite frankly I'm a little bit scared to go past that because it starts getting real fucking loud after that. Stock KA, fucking beast.